So people are asking me to define terms, and you know what? I'm only too glad to oblige because a lot of trainers out there are talking about aggression, reactivity, behavior, whatever have you, and they're not actually defining the words. And that's a yes serious problem today. So let's get into aggression. What is aggression? First of all, aggression is not a diagnosis. A 5-year-old child can look at a dog raised on a leash and call it aggressive. I would fully expect more from a dog trainer, wouldn't you, or a behaviorist, or a vet, or somebody else. What is aggression? What causes aggression? What makes you angry? What pisses you off? What makes you show aggression? It's no different for the dog. It's a cortisol response to something in the environment. Cortisol, adrenaline, and etc. Fight or flight when it pertains to aggression and reactivity. That's the reality. The aggression that the dog is showing is your fight response. And what Carl Jung would actually call the dog's shadow. We don't understand. We're scared of our own shadows, but that's a different video. Aggression itself is a symptom. And everything up today is about everything we know is causality. There's cause and then there's effect. There's something causing the dog's behavior, and the effect is the actual behavior. What's causing the dog's behavior? It's instincts, it's emotions. That's what's causing the dog's behaviors. So if all of a sudden you go into a fear state, you're going to go into a fight or flight state. The limbic system in your brain is going to send a signal to your adrenal glands to increase your cortisol and adrenaline. That is going to put you on a precipice of fight or flight. Do I need to fight for my life or do I need to run away? And fighting for your life is the aggression part of it, or trying to drive the negative away. So when your dog is raising on a leash and you're trying to drive away negative targets, they're doing the same thing as you would. If I turned around and replaced you with that dog, you'd be doing the same thing, wouldn't you? But yeah, we declare dogs aggressive. We slap a label on them and we call them aggressive for having a fight or flight response. And this is what's really, really upsetting me. What pisses you off? What makes you angry? What makes you show aggression? That's the reality. B.F. Skinner would tell you to replace dog with human child and ask you what you would do differently and ask you how you would understand differently. Why would he tell you to replace dog with human child? Because he was replacing human with dog, pigeon, and rat in the lab. He was doing experiments on animals in the lab to understand human-animal behavior. That's the reality. That was Skinner's total system of psychology. He was learning about our behavior from doing experiments on animals. Pretty funky, isn't it? But yet dog trainers turn around and they deny that. Why? Because the whole system of methodological behaviorism. Methodological behaviorism, what you know as dog training, cuts the head off the dog. The dog doesn't have any feelings, the dog doesn't have any emotions, the instincts, none of that stuff. That's all the science that doesn't belong in dog training, according to Robert Cabral. And when you remove the science, then all you have is behavior. All you need to do is focus on behavior. You don't even need to define the word behavior. And I will do I've already got videos of what a behavior is. It's simply your body's response to an environmental stimulus, positive or negative. That's it. So just understand, when trainers are talking about aggression, ask them to define the word. If they can't define the word, then walk away. If you're going to talk about something, trainers want to talk to me about aggression. They want to talk to me about reactivity. I ask them point blank, okay, if you want to talk about it, we need to define the word. How do you define aggression? They can't do it. But yet they want to talk about it. They consider themselves experts in it.